add jaggery for sweetness.
I will add pepper. I will add dal for good taste. I will add taste for sweetness. I will add pomegranate seeds. We will add dates. We will add pumpkin. Now I'll add mint flower. Click. My name is Yashwant. I am studying in 5th class in Neos Ideal School. Wish you all to Ugadi. Ugadi is a major festival celebrated in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. It marks the beginning of a new year falling in March or April. The word Ugadi is derived from Sanskrit words Yuga and Adi, signifying the beginning of a new year. People clean their homes and decorate the entrance with the fresh mango leaves. Thank you. Good morning to one and all. My name is Ujjwala. I am studying in 4th class in Neos Ideal School. Today I am going to say about Vadalu. Somavaramu, Mangalavaramu, Budhavaramu, Guruvaramu, Shukravaramu, Shanivaramu, Adivaramu. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Deepak. I am from 4th class in Neos Ideal School. Today I am going to say Masalu. చైత్రము, వైశాఖము, జ్యేష్ఠము, ఆషాఢము, శ్రావణము, భాద్రపదము, అశ్వయుజము, కార్తీకము, మార్గశిరము, పుష్యము, మాఘము, ఫాల్గుణము. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good morning everyone. My name is Jay Krishna. I am from 4th class in Neos Ideal School. Wish you all happy Ugadi. Today I am going to tell about Savacharalu, Prabhava, Vibhava, Shukla, Brahma, Prajapati, Amrirasa, Srimukha, Bhava, Yuva, Data, Ishvara, Adanya, Kramarti, Krama, Vrusha, Chitrabhanu, Swabhanu, Tarana, Parthiva, Jaya, Sarvajit, Sarvadari, Virodhi, Vikruti, Khara, Nandana, Vijaya, Jaya, Manmada. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sekin. I am from Neos Ideal School. Samastram Sri Vishwanath Nama
రేపటి నుంచి మనకి పరాభవ సంవత్సరం మరియు చైత్ర మాసం మొదలవుతుంది.
Happy Ugadi!
మా సంవత్సరం విజయ పరంపర ప్రారంభం.